Hello everybody, how you doing? So I know I haven't got a lot of progress videos up for the swing carousel. I didn't have a lot of time last week. Yesterday I took the entire day to get the central columns all finished up and the mechanics working for that. So now the mechanics are finished. There's some tweaking to do, like bringing this track up a little closer to the other one. But I think it is working all as intended. So I'm going to give it a whirl and see how everything is working. So we have three separate motors going right now. We have this medium motor controlling our tracks through the middle. Our large motor down here controlling our elevation. So they're on one channel. The other motor at the top is on a separate channel. And the top and bottom motors are on two different battery boxes because this thing takes a lot of juice to get working. So there is our slow speed, and we're going to kick it up one notch, and that's our fast speed. I think by the time we get all the rest of the swings on, the top will probably slow down quite a bit more. There's still a lot of weight to go on there, so I think it'll be just perfect by the time everything's done. This thing is going to be probably at least the size of this base plate, if not bigger, especially the canopy. So I have 30 swings I'm going to be putting on this. I'm going to be stacking them two aside. So for now, it's just going to be going ahead and building in the base and doing some more cosmetic work. So I'm thinking the mechanics are working beautifully, so let's power it down. And here we go. Done. Working great so far. Hope you enjoy this. I'm going to probably be playing with other projects in the meantime as I'm building this up. So the next progress video won't be for a little while. But until then, have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.